Why church live stream audio often sounds bad. Welcome to our 30 days of improving our live stream audio. I'm Sir Edwin Producer. This is day one. Ongeza data. Have you ever noticed that sound ama audio ya live stream often sounds worse than the sound inside the church? Sometimes many churches tap audio from the headphone or maybe from a camera. These two outputs create distortion and sometimes imbalances between speech and the live band or the worship team. And then unapata ile time pastor anaongea sounds inakuwa clean, but band ikianza sound ina distort kwa sababu of bad audio routing. The best solution for this, sometimes we have to use a sound card, but the best solution for this is to tap sound directly from the mixer to your live stream system. We offer such kind of services and ukifuatana na sisi kutoka day 1 mpaka 30 days tutakapomalizia, you will be able to learn more, na mahali hautakuwa umeweza kupata we are always here for you. Thank you very much. I'm Sir Edwin Producer. Tupatane kwa day 2.